Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to watch Zeus on your TV using the Xbox app. If you have an Xbox One or Xbox Series X or S, you're in luck. The Zeus app is officially supported on those consoles. But just a heads up, it does not work on the Xbox 360. Here's how to get started. First, add the Zeus app to your Xbox from the Microsoft Store. Just open the store, search for Zeus, and download it like any other app. Once the app is installed, launch it on your Xbox. You'll see a screen asking you to sign in, and it will display a unique activation code on your TV screen. Now grab a second device, like your phone or a computer, and go to the Zeus activation page. If you're not logged in already, you'll be asked to enter your Zeus credentials. Once logged in, type in the activation code you see on your TV and click Activate. That's it. The app on your Xbox will refresh, and you'll be able to start browsing and streaming your favorite Zeus content right away. It's an easy setup and a great way to watch Zeus on a larger screen from the comfort of your couch. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and let us know in the comments if you ran into any issues. Thanks for watching, and enjoy streaming Zeus on Xbox.